Continuing with our SQL functions, today we will be learning date functions, the functions which are related to manipulation of the date. Add underscore months. Now what it is going to do, it is going to return a date value after adding specified n months to the date. n months को add करने के बाद आपने जो भी date specify करी है वो date return करेगा. So here it is what it is showing. Here it is showing us it is this date on which the months will be added. How many months it will be added? N months will be added. So for example, select add months 16 September 81. Add how many months? 3 months from dual. We are manipulating the date directly. We are not manipulating the date which is stored in the column. So we have to use which table? Dual table. So after September it is going to add how many months? 3 months. So it will be, the new date will be 16 December 1981. Months between function will return the number of months between two dates. दो dates के बीच में कितने months आए वो return करेगा. For example, select months between 16 September 81 and 16 December 81. So it is going to return how many months in between these two dates? 3 months. This is very interesting. Next day. So next day will return the day of next specified day of the week after given date. तो ये क्या return करेगा? It will return the date which will be on the given day specified by you. So day can be either in the abbreviation form or it can be a full name. Say for example, select next day 1st of August 2003. What will be the day on Tuesday? This query means what will be the date on this day, Tuesday. So the date on this Tuesday, starting from which date? 1st of August. The day Tuesday, what is the date? So it will return 5th of August 2003. Last day. Last day means what? It returns the last day of the month that contains a date. So select last day July 2018 from dual. So last day will be 31 July. And if you want to know the current date and time, then you have to use sysdate command.
Numeric functions are the functions which work on numeric data type. The first function is ABS. What does ABS do? It returns the absolute value of number n. That is the value which is contained in the column. So if you want to find the absolute value of minus 15, just absolute value of minus 15, the query will be select ABS minus 15 as absolute from dual. We are doing temporary manipulation, hence we are using the dual function. So the absolute value which will be returned is 15. Next function is power function. What does power function do? It returns m raised to the nth power. N must be an integer, else an error will be returned. The syntax is power m, n. That means what? M raised to n. So if we want to find the power of 3, which is raised to 2, then the select query will be select power 3, 2 raised from dual. So raised का answer क्या आएगा? 9. 3 raised to 2, that is 9. And what we are doing? We are raised means what? What is this? This is the alias. Next function is round function. Round function, it will round off the decimal places to the number of decimal places you have specified. So here what we are doing? Here we are rounding off this number. Here we are rounding off this number. To which value? 15.19 we are rounding off to 1. So answer will be 15.2. It will just round it off. Next is square root. Square root means what? It will return the square root of any number. Suppose we want to find out the square root of 25, then what we next function is exp function. It returns e raised to the nth power where the value of e is 2.71. e raised to, we are talking about e raised to, that is e की वैल्यू क्या है 2.71 है, उसका raised to जो भी आप दोगे उसकी वैल्यू वो रिटर्न करेगा. Suppose I want to find the value of e raised to 5. So I will be writing select exp5 from dual. Then the answer will be 148. Now greatest. Greatest means what? It returns the greatest value in the list of the expression. Whatever values you are giving, from that it will return the greatest value. Ceiling function. Ceiling function, what will it do? It will return the value which is smallest integer value but greater than or equal to the number. For example 22.65. So ceiling value will be greater value, but it is equal to small integer only, that is 23. 42.1, so it will return 43. 32, ceiling value is 32 only,